What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be discovering Lums.ai. And so basically Lums is an AI power tool which is going to allow you to speak with your budget and definitely come up with some interesting ways of handling your money. And so Lums, you can find it at Lums.ai. And so you need a budget, but you deserve Lums. So chat with your money, your budget in under 2 minutes, smart alerts, and see your future balance. So basically, from what I understand, it's an AI tool that is going to allow you to make projections on your money and help you better manage it. And so I'm sure all of us, we definitely need to manage our money in a better way. And so if we have an AI tool which is able to do this, then that'll be very interesting and very useful. And so you can go ahead already and download this version of it. It's already available on the Play Store and on the App Stores. You can go ahead and download that and test it out and see how it works for you. And so the promises it makes is smart alerts. So it helps you maybe plan better your income or plan better your expenditures and know how you use it. So easily connect all your accounts. You can connect all your accounts automatically or add them manually. Even your cash deserves a place on the dashboard. So you can see already here, you have your cash, you have your bank accounts and your credit cards. And so you chat with your money. So chat with our AI to explore your money, get instant answers, and uncover insights in plain language. And so money management or financial management is very important. And so with all the numbers and all, it can be very difficult to figure things out. And so if this AI is able to do what it promises, then that'll be very interesting. You can find some expenditures that you can really spare yourself from, and that'll help you save some money. It can help you budget, it can help you plan ahead. It can go through all your expenses and already plan what is coming, what is due, what is not, or what you should avoid doing, and things like that. So financial management is definitely something that we all need. So build your budget in minutes. Our AI helps you to set up a budget that fits your goals. It guides through the years for you to keep the control. So I've not yet tested this app. It's looking very interesting, and I might be already overselling it. Maybe I already have an idea of what I think it's going to do, but basically, if from my understanding, if it does what I think it promises to do, then that'll be very great. So the peace of mind that comes from the freedom to focus on what matters. So the AI that catches what you miss. So for example, you can see here some expenditures that you might have, or some fraud or anomalies. You can detect that. Lums remembers how to categorize your transactions. So it's going through your transactions and all. One dashboard, quick check, big picture. And so your data always secured, connected via plate, encrypted, isolated, secured, AI processing, and total control. One simple plan, everything included. So this app definitely promises a lot of things, but when it comes to finances, I'll be a little skeptical. You don't know what might be happening in the back end that happens with your data and all the rest. But definitely, it's a budgeting app, and you can always, put some controls in place to avoid it sharing your information. But it's very interesting concept. I like the idea of having AI kind of doing the accounting job. So it's a very interesting app, and hopefully it does what it said it will, or it says it will do. So it claims to be secured by Play or secure bank connection partner, and as you can see, it's trusted by a lot of banks. So I don't know how true this is. I'm not here to check how true it is or not, but I'm just here to present to you with an interesting idea that exists out there and which you might have use for. So if you have an AI system that is able to manage your finances, that would be very great. And so I'm looking forward to trying out this app, and hopefully it delivers on all its promises. So definitely check this out and let me know what you think about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.